Hi guys, Troy at the Full Setup here, back with another video for you. Now, up until about 3 weeks ago, for the last few months, I have been getting quite bad neck pain all in here, and I've been getting lower back pain as well. Now, I don't just do YouTube, it's not just because I'm always sat here. I'm actually work an office job, I work in IT. Now, my week's always a bit mixed, you know, there's running around, just getting people to turn stuff on and off again. But I also get the odd weeks as well where I'm literally just doing admin work, and those were the weeks where I was really struggling. So I had an assessment at work and they got me a sort of a high back chair and I've been feeling really comfortable. But I haven't been feeling comfortable here because this chair, as much as it looks the part for the YouTube, this chair cost me about £100. It's not very comfortable at all. Got someone pushing in my back here. You're not really going to be able to see it here, but there's all this space. I sit forward. It's a problem for me. The armrests get in the way of my desk. So I really needed to think about getting something else. And here it is. This is the Boulies Master Chair. This chair is available for around the £200 mark. They've sent it out for me to review, so a huge thank you to Boulies. And there's another big thank you as well. Any of my subscribers, there is an offer code in the description and you will get £25 off on this chair as well. So we're going to go in and take a closer look at the chair in a minute. Going to show you all the features. Then I'm going to come back at the end of the video and do my pros and cons, because as always, like I say, no product is perfect, so we need to try and find some cons, but honestly, I'm so happy, and it is mostly pros. Mostly pros. As soon as I put the Boulies Master Chair together, I was immediately blown away by the quality of this gaming chair. Their signature R3 PU leather is soft to the touch and has been extensively tested for long-term use, and is also scratch and water resistant. The edges of the chair have accents of carbon fibre, and although I'm not the biggest fan of red, I really do like the stitching on this chair. I have found the chair a joy to sit in throughout my testing, and I'm in love with the included memory foam neck and lumbar pillows. They're super soft to the touch, and I have found they greatly improve my posture. Build quality on the Master Chair is everything you would expect from a £200 gaming chair. The 5-star aluminium base feels rock solid, and the PU casters provide great movement and traction over a variety of surfaces. One of the Master Chair's many party tricks is the steel constructed multi-function tilt mechanism. This allows for height adjustment, 15-degree tilt and lock, and back pressure adjustment too. Now, I am someone that is always notoriously sat forward in my chair, and this has started to become a problem for me. My current desk setup is very tight, and both the wheels and armrests on my previous chair would constantly push my chair back, forcing me to sit forward. Well, that problem has now been greatly improved. The wheels on the chair are set further back than my previous chair, and the 4D armrests don't just offer height adjustment, they can be moved forwards, backwards, and even tilted inwards or outwards. But if there was one thing that has now got me gaming and editing in comfort the most, it's the ability to adjust the back of the chair, as well as a 480-degree recline. Being able to bring the back forward and the added support from neck and lumbar pillows have worked wonders for me. I am now back and neck pain free, and that's all been made possible by the Boulies Master Chair. So there was the overview of the chair. Now obviously I'm sort of not really sat in it very well at the moment because, you know, I wanted to sort of fit it in shot a little bit, you know, get a bit more of the desk in. But I'm just telling you, when you've got back pain, you know it, you've probably had back or neck pain before, and when that pain is relieved, you just feel so much better, you just feel happier, and I feel so happy in this chair. I love gaming in this chair, I love editing in this chair. Now, one thing I didn't mention in the video is the armrests here, they're not easily adjustable, but there are bolts underneath here, so you can sort of set them to your build. I didn't say that. Obviously, I talked about the forward, back, up and down movements, but I didn't talk about that. So what we need to do is move on to pros and cons with this chair, because there is 2 cons for me. 2 cons? Maybe 3 cons. Okay, one con is height adjustment. It goes pretty well. There's not a lot. Did you see that? I didn't really drop a lot. There's not massive amounts of height adjustment in this. You'll fit fine on any desk. Now, Boulies say this is rated for someone up to 192 centimeters. I'm quite small, so my legs are just kicking all over the place. But that's one thing to consider. Also, the weight limit as well, £290 is £290 as well. So, you know, sort of watch out for that. But if you're like a gladiator, do you know what I mean? If you're like all the way out here, I think you already know that you have to look a little bit further field to get a perfect chair for you. So that's just a little con. It doesn't need to go much higher, excuse the pun, but maybe just 1 or 2 inches higher. What other cons have we got as well? Okay, so this is a beautiful looking chair. I like this, but this isn't, I know it's not everyone's cup of tea. This is a chair which obviously looks like a gaming chair. It's got the racing profile, but it's not really in your face. Now that's not a bad thing, because Boulies actually also make the Ninja chair. That might be one if you want that real racy looking esportsy chair, that they have got that available for you, so you can buy the Ninja. And it's also got white stripes as well, white stitching if you don't like red stitching. So, you know, they've got two models. They're exactly the same chair basically, just shaped a little bit different. Any other cons? Any other cons? Nah, that's it for the cons. What about the pros? Armrests. I love that they slide forward and back. It means I can get it really close to my desk. When I'm gaming there, that's my 144Hz monitor. It's really tight in that corner. It's my own fault. We've got all that height adjustment. I actually also like, you might not be able to see here, but when they turn in, there's a really nice thing I like about when they're turning. Say you're just watching a video for half an hour. Do you know what I mean? You just recline the chair back a little bit. Put your arms like that, and it keeps your arms, it keeps your elbows in. Really like that. Height adjustment's nice, goes all the way back, 180 degrees. You can adjust all of this stuff. These pillows, man. This pillow, it's so nice. It's just soft. It's so soft. It's not fluffy, but it's soft. It's got memory foam, this lumbar thing as well. Lovely. And over the last few weeks, that sort of got thrown about a little bit, let me say. Sort of like, I've had two chairs in this room. It's been really difficult, and it hasn't misshapen. It's stayed nice. Feels lovely on my back. It's just a really nice chair. There's a £25 discount voucher in there as well. Honestly, I would definitely check Boulies out. I'd put them on your consideration list for a chair. They've got two nice premium chairs. They've got another chair around about £100 mark. Might be nice to get that one sent out. The pros on this way outweigh the cons. Like I said, the cons are just nitpicking. So I definitely consider this chair. I would recommend it to anyone. I've really enjoyed it, and I'm going to be using it going forward here as well. And as mentioned again, there is that £25 discount code, so make sure you go to Boulies' website and have a little look. Anyway, that's it from me today. First ever chair review, so if there's something you would like in future chair reviews, just let me know and we'll get it all sorted. Don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to the Discord. I'm just going to end the video. See you later.